Hey y'all, how you doing? This is Randy, the Mobile Traveler. Today I'm going to show you that I can't talk. Uh, all right, take 15. This is Randy, the Mobile Traveler. How you guys doing today? My day's kind of been in a funk, as you can tell. Ran out of heat the other day. The old buddy heater just did not want to work. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it, hopefully. You guys come back. Let's do this. Okay, there is the culprit. I'm going to show you the tools needed for this. I'll tell you, it's quite extensive. Bottle of rubbing alcohol, couple of earbuds or cotton swabs, and some cleaner. It doesn't matter what kind of cleaner you use. Now, your buddy heater, it could be a danger if you don't do it right, if you don't keep it clean. So let me clean this up real quick. I'm going to set you down. You know, like I said, I use this super strength kind of a cleaner degreaser. You can get it at the dollar store, I think. It's mean green. I squirt the rag first, and then I just make sure it's clean. Get all that dust off, because that dust can cause a fire. And Lord knows we don't want that to happen. I think we've seen what can happen to a camper when it catches on fire. Not a pretty sight. Okay, now all you do is pop this grate off. Very easy to do. Just pop it, pull it off, put it off to the side. Clean the inside here, right around this lip. Let me show you here a little closer. Just got to make sure that all this dust and grime is off of there. I don't mess with this part. Make sure the surrounding area is clean, and then blow it off. Alright, now my issue is the pilot light. Right down in here. This pilot doesn't want to stay lit. You see that hole right down in there? Here, let me show you. It is right here. There's a little orifice down there, and that's where the fuel comes out. Propane. I'm guessing that it's dirty. So we're going to clean it up. Very easy to do, but I kind of need both hands. So let me set this camera down again. Boy, sure would be nice to have a production assistant, wouldn't it? Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I clean it with rubbing alcohol. I just get it wet. Little dab will do you. And it doesn't take much, I'll tell you that. So, let me see, I just dab it in there. Get it wet. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to clean this piece off right next to it. That is the thermocoupler. I'll clean that off nice and clean. Get it as good as I can. Clean around it. And now I'm going to go in that hole. A little pilot hole. And I'm going to clean. So you can see I stuck it in there pretty good. She is all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to twist. I hope this is helping some people. Not only will it be clean, safe, it might fire up. And if it fires up, woohoo, I got heat tonight. Following the directions, click. Oh, look at that flame. And I'm going to hold it for a few seconds. It gets good and hot. I got my toes crossed, people. I might have heat tonight. Let's see. Now you got a blue flame. That means it's clean. It's unobstructed. All right, we're going to let off the pilot. And it's still lit. I'm feeling hopeful. And we're going to turn it over to low. See if that's going to catch. You guys see them flames? Oh, it's catching. I'm a happy camper. Looks like it's going to work. All right. Well, that's all there is. I'm going to let this run for a few minutes and come back to you. Little Some Nation. Oh, it's working. I can feel the heat. You guys feel it over there? You can see it. Be right back. Okay. That is how you clean a buddy heater, people. I've got to say one thing. Do not tear that thing apart unless you know what you're doing. It's very dangerous. I've heard stories. I've seen things happen with these buddy heaters. If that fix doesn't work, buy a new one. Be safe. You can cause a fire if you take it apart, put it back together wrong. Okay, buddy heater fix complete. Run that cotton swab in there 2 or 3 times. I only did it once this time, just to show you how to do it. You know, I got to tell you, I cleaned it out earlier today, so I knew it was going to work because I already tested it. But do it 2 or 3 times until that cotton swab comes out clean. 90% of the time, well, that's a guess, that is going to do it. That is going to fix that buddy heater. I fixed 2 or 3 of them like that. 3 actually. This is my 3rd. And they're still running, and they are safe. Okay, that's it for the vid. Thanks for joining me, people. Y'all have a great day, and come back. You never know what else I'm going to show you next time. Okay, welcome to February.